Okay, again, Friday night after graduation, I'm going to not take my iPad home, so I'm recording this fast. Find the area of a regular hexagon with side length 10. Remember with hexagons, if we draw the apothem, right, what we're getting here, because each one of these angles here is 60, then when we drop the apothem, we get a 30-degree angle up top, okay, and this is a 30, then 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And so what do we got? Well, if we have a side length of 10, then this is 5. So this is 5 root 3. Okay? And we know that to find any kind of regular polygon's area, the area is equal to 1/2 the apothem length times the perimeter. So 1/2 of 5 root 3 times the perimeter. There's 6 sides of 5 times 30. 1/2 of 30 is 15. 15 times 5 is 75. So 75 root 3 is the area. And we actually want to type that into our calculator because they want us to round it to the nearest tenth. So square root of 3 times 75. And we get 129.9 roughly. And the units were meters, so meters squared. That's it. And that was B.